Space is full of strange noises. Uranus whistles like it's calling birds. Saturn crackles like a busted speaker. And interstellar space hums like it's up to something. These strange cosmic sounds will leave you curious and maybe a little creeped out about what's really out there. Caught in the 1970s by the Soviet Venera probes, Venus crackles with a strange sound as lightning storms rage through its thick, toxic clouds, like something out of a nightmare. Spotted by NASA's Voyager 1 in 2012, this strange roar echoes through the emptiness between stars, created by plasma vibrations in the silent void of space. Captured by radio telescopes since the 1960s, this sound resembles a deep, low-pitched scream, the lingering aftershock of the universe's birth. In 2014, the Rosetta spacecraft, while orbiting Comet 67P Churyumov-Gerasimenko, captured a strange sound, a low-frequency oscillation that scientists interpreted as the comet's natural vibrations. The sound, resembling a hum or song, comes from the comet's interaction with solar winds and its own internal processes. Captured in 2002 by NASA's Cassini spacecraft, this static sound comes from Saturn's poles, where the wild electromagnetic activities make the planet sound like it's caught in a cosmic storm. Observed in 2013 by NASA's Van Allen probes, this soft hiss is created by plasma waves moving through Earth's magnetosphere, as if the planet is quietly whispering secrets. Captured in 1996 by NASA's Galileo spacecraft, the volcanic roars are produced by the intense volcanic activity on Io, driven by Jupiter's tidal forces. Recorded in 1986 by NASA's Voyager 2, Uranus's magnetosphere produces bird-like whistles as charged particles dance with the planet's magnetic field. That's all from today's list of the strangest sound recordings. Leave a comment if we missed any, and we'll feature your picks in our next video.